Mother, wife, actress. So many hats with such ease. How is it possible, Simran?
I think everything is all about time management, how you organize your day, how you prioritize your work, one and then the other followed by the previous one. That is what keeps me going, and that is how I keep up the pace of balancing being a mother and wife and a working woman. Yeah.
Simran was and is super fit. What is the secret?
The secret of my fitness is that I work out regularly. I eat on time, and yes, you have to take good rest. And keeping up with the daily routine, especially with the boys. So I think that is the key of me being fit.
We have so many favorite movies of yours. What is your favorite movie?
Yes, my favorite movie is Joker. Joker. So that is the latest movie, which is really very close to my heart, and I would love to perform that character.
Now this gets really interesting. Simran is a fan of?
I am a huge fan of Rajni sir, and I would love to do a movie with him again. Peta is, I'm a fan of Peta too, and I like Bigil also. I'm just talking about all my latest favorite films and Joker.
Is there any movie you missed working and later turned out to be a very big hit?
Yes, if you ask me which movie I missed doing and which became a huge hit, I don't remember any, but it is always a good thing to be part of a hit film.
Okay, which current actor and actress do you think has the biggest impact on the current generation?
I feel entertainment is a medium where audience connect very fast. So we all must be careful what we are, showing to them. And if you ask me who are the current actors who are impacting a lot in audience's mind, I think we all have a responsibility to play as an actor. So I don't want to pinpoint, or I don't want to pick or choose anybody. Everybody is doing their bit, and I really want to see some real good cinema, which is happening now also in future too.
So, who is the single take artist in dance?
See, dancing is not that easy as you think when the camera rolls. I think Vijay, he's an actor who most of the times he finishes his dance steps in one shot. So yes, him. I just want to ask you, can we just go get some coffee? Okay. Here's my bag.
Here is a Valentine's question to you. Tell us about Deepak.
Deepak, I don't even know where he is right now. He's out with some work. But yes, he's a great person. And I would like to wish him happy Valentine's Day.
Simran's 3 tips for women to stay fit.
Any form of cardio in a day. Laugh out loud. And take enough rest. Try it out.
Okay, let's do a quick rapid fire. Favorite food?
My favorite food is Chinese.
Favorite actor?
Favorite actor Rajni sir.
Favorite actress?
Scarlett Johansson.
And favorite costume?
I love to wear clothes where I feel comfortable in. That's my favorite costume.
Favorite travel spot?
My favorite holiday spot is I love to drive wherever I go. And I love to drive in Shimla, New York. I like basically cold places.
thrilled about the new song that you're releasing on the Valentine's Day. Tell us about Khwaishein and tell us about the song and the making and what inspired you to do the song.
If you ask me why this song Khwaishein and in Hindi, where I have done a lot of work in South, I always wanted to do something out of the box. I love to dance, I love songs. So we just, I just thought that I want to do something related to music album. And we came up with this concept. It's a breakup song. It's about unsaid words of a woman from within, what she feels when she goes through breakup. So the song is close to my heart. It's really nice, I feel.